Have you ever wanted your followers to remain private while still enjoying your public Snapchat profile? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your follower count on a public profile so you can maintain your privacy while keeping your profile looking professional and neat. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're always updated on the new tutorials I post. First, open the Snapchat app. Once you're in it, the next thing you need to do is tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open your profile page. Once you've done that, you will see the public profile option on this page. Tap on it. After that, in the top right corner of this section, you will see a pencil icon. Tap on it. Finally, in this part, you will see the Show Follower Count option. Tap the switch to turn it off. Once you turn off this option, your follower count will no longer be visible to visitors of your public profile. Your profile remains fully functional, but now you have extra control over your privacy. You can also freely enjoy sharing content without worrying about everyone knowing how many people follow you. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.